Hello Photoshop enthusiasts! Today we're delving into a creative journey to manipulate images and bring out stunning effects. Let's dive in and learn how to create a captivating design. Open Photoshop and import images. Click on Select in the menu. Choose Subject to automatically select the main subject. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selection. Delete the background layer. Click on Fill and Adjustment. Choose Solid Color and set it to red. Right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Select the Rectangle Selection tool. Create an image slice. Right-click, choose Merge Layers. And make a duplicate. Adjust the sizing as needed. Click on Filter greater than blue or greater than Gaussian blur. Set the radius to 29.1 pixels and click OK. Click on Fill and Adjustment. Choose Gradient. And pick your gradient. Right-click and create a clipping mask. Open Layer Style. Set opacity to 32% and click OK. Right-click, choose Merge Layers. And adjust the image as needed. Right-click, choose Merge Layers. Click on the Shape tool and make a red rectangle. Duplicate and adjust the size. Change the color to blue. Right-click, convert to a smart object. Click on Filter greater than blue or greater than Gaussian blur. Set the radius to 130.2 pixels and click OK. Open layer style. Set blend mode to lighter and click OK. Right-click, choose Merge Layers, and adjust the size. Click on Fill and Adjustment, choose Solid Color, and set it to red. Click on Filter greater than Filter Gallery. Choose Halftone Pattern with Circle. And set size to 12%. Click on Filter greater than Liquify and make adjustments. Open layer style, set blend mode to soft light, opacity to 55%, and fill opacity to 58%. Click OK. Right-click, choose Merge Layers. Click on Filter greater than Noise greater than Add Noise. Set the amount to 46.26% and click OK. You have it. An incredible journey through image manipulation in Photoshop. Feel free to experiment with different images and settings. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating!